Hi everyone, this is Divyashree. Welcome back to my channel. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Now we'll learn how to draw a penguin in an easy way. Let's begin the drawing with a circle. Start drawing a large oval from the circle. Now we'll draw the beak. Draw the eye. Now we'll draw the flippers of penguin. Draw the neckline. Start drawing the back part along with the tail. Now we'll draw the feet. Erase unnecessary lines. Now we'll draw a fish in the frozen lake. So once you complete the drawing, start outlining it using a stick pen or a sketch pen. Let's start coloring. Take black color and color the head, flippers, tail and the eye part. Color along the outlines first and then fill the remaining part to avoid color going out of edges. Shade lightly using black color on the belly part. Take orange and color the beak. Color the feet using brown color. Take sky blue and fill the water part. I am using grey color for the fish. You can use any color you like. Take dark blue and add some shading around the fish. Take sky blue and lightly shade around the penguin. So I hope you have learned how to draw a penguin in an easy way.